Yes, hello everyone. For today's video, I would love to share to you how to make a resume in a professional way. So how we do it? Just we go back and go directly into your Google account and make sure to search this resumemaker.ai. Search, and by creating your resume, tap this create my resume. So as of now, they are having created by today only 16,511. So there are so many people are using this resumemaker.ai. So create my account, and there are so many options, template options for you what you want to use. Colored to make your resume very presentable and in a professional way also. So anyway, there's another kind of a way that you can make your resume. So I would love to share to you again. This is a free application. You just need to go to your Play Store and search this Intelligent CV, open it, and fill up this information. Personal details, education, experience, or for example personal details you may include here. You can attach also your photos and view your CV by professional or by modern type. So if you want a professional, there are so many templates here also. So after you filling up your information, if you want to view this information in a professional way, you can just select any of the templates here. So as well as in the modern type, you can view your information here. So don't forget to key in or to encode your reliable information by creating your resume. So guys, I hope that it will help to you in the future for how you apply your jobs.